Hi, I'm Andy Cranston. In this video I'm going to show you my rpass utility for changing passwords on a Raritan PDU. First of all, I'll just log into one of my PDUs and note that the password I'm typing is just 8 characters long. So we're logged in there okay, as we'd expect. Nothing new so far. Let's just log out. Now my rpass utility for changing passwords is a Python program. There it is, rpass.py. And I've also got a file called host.txt. Let's take a look at that. And in this file I've got the name of 2 of my PDUs, px3rack, that was the one I just logged into, and I've got a second PDU as well. So with that program, that file in place, I can run the program by typing Python rpass.py and then my username that I use to log into the PDUs. I'm asked for my password. I'll type that in, password that I just used. And the program checks that I can log into the 2 PDUs named in that file. That all checks out, asks me if I want to change my password. I'll reply yes. I'll choose a new password. Retype it for verification. And what it will now do is log into both the PDUs and it will change the password. There we go. So if I go back to my PDU, and you can see I'm typing in the longer password, so it's obviously a different password. And let's log in now. And we're logged in. Great stuff. So that's very handy, and you can see by simply adding more host names to the host.txt file, I could change my password on quite a large number of PDUs at once. I just want to show you a couple more features of the program. If I edit the host file, and let's type in, let's put px3rack in again at the end, save the file, run the program again, the program won't run because there's a duplicate entry which it's found. Let's make one other change. I'm going to put in an IP address. Now that happens to be the IP address of px3rack. Let's see what happens now. It'll ask me for my password. This is the new long one now. So it logs into px3rack. Looks into PXC study, looks into that IP address. Now, what it finds now is it tells us that the PDU at address 192.168.8.22 has got the same serial number as the one that it looked at on line 1, PX3rack. So when it checks the username and passwords, it also looks at the serial numbers of each PDU, keeps a note of them, and if it bumps into a PDU that it's seen before, as identified by its serial number, it will stop. I hope you found that useful. You can download the program at the following link. Goodbye.